I hate voices, but I really have to do voiceovers. If you guys would like sit and just watch, just sit for the whole hour while I'm doing my makeup when my kids are up, it is crucial. It is hell. But I always outline my brows first, fill them in. I always use expresso, or I use like a dark brown, but I really like espresso because my eyebrow hairs aren't thick and they aren't that dark, and I don't want to like make them in there. I just don't like the Sharpie look, so I go. In and I start carving my eyebrows up with my concealer. I use the bottom, and my bottom brow I use tan. My top brow I use the Deep Bronze by Maybelline. It really be spot on. Like, I pat that concealer in, baby. Wait till I get my P. Louise base. I cannot. I literally ordered every last base, their brushes, the whole nine. But whatever. Anyway, I just cannot wait until y'all see this. But look at me, pat, pat. Now that's the Deep Bronze. I'm going in with is the closest. That's actually my foundation shade, but I like using the concealer instead of the foundation, so I get the concealer in the same shade as I get the foundation in from Maybelline. That is like the best drugstore makeup foundation and concealer for me. I like NYX, but I don't know what it is. That formula for that Maybelline, this is a Superstay. That concealer and that foundation, I'm telling you, really, 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 really works good together. You'll see part of the video. I actually didn't even know that the camera stopped recording. I remember when the screen popped up where it said low battery, but I never looked to see that it wasn't recording no more. Listen, I don't have my glasses on and I don't have no contacts in. People that know me know damn well I need one or the other. Usually when I do my makeup, I'm always doing my makeup. Literally, I call it blind eye because I can't see. I'm like, even with the mirror right there, like, no, it's a no-go. Don't be damp, but it doesn't be dry. Like, I usually, when I clean them, I usually have them sitting from like the overnight drying, and then I buffer my eyeshadow out with it. But this, like, the complete eye for both eyes, like, completely gone, missing. Like, what the hell? I was so mad. You'll see. Just going. Look at it. Just it was like cute. I actually was like, okay, I want to do some pink. But this is under low light. You see, I ain't even put the lip gloss or the wig on yet. And there you have it, topped with my Kiss by Keiko lips.